Hello everyone, welcome to this daily coding where we are going to go through backspace string compare. Basically where we are supposed to receive as input two strings, process those strings given a condition state here, and find out if those two strings are actually equal after the process being applied. So what does it look like? Before diving into some example on how to solve it, if you're new here, yes, I go architect here. We are doing LeetCode daily account solution, so don't hesitate to subscribe to don't miss what you're doing here. And if at the end you found the video useful, don't hesitate to like and share. Basically, we receive as input a string containing lowercase character and the dash. So the hash is actually a backspace representation. So if you have something like a b dash c, basically what you have at the end will be ac, because this hash is going to erase this b. So at the end you are going to have ac, and here what you have is adc, that this hash is going to erase this d. So at the end you are going to have ac. So after processing this one and this one, they are going to have as result AC, and they are going to be equal. That's why the output is true. So let us take this example so you understand better. Let's say I have this input, right? If I want to process the input, what will happen is that I will say, okay, I have an A, I will put A. I have a B, I will put B. I have a C, I will put C. Now I have a backspace. This one is going to erase my last character. I have another backspace which is going to erase my last character. I have another A which is going to be at here. I have a backspace which is going to erase this one. I have a backspace which is going to erase this one. And then I have an A which is going to be here. So after processing this one will actually give you as result A. And what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to do this for both the first input and the second input, and you're supposed to return true if they are equal or false if they are not equal. So how are we going to organize ourselves to solve it? Since here we know that we are going to call that function twice, we wrote a helper function to reduce the length of code we are going to end up having in our program. So we wrote the helper function which is actually going to proceed. And then how does the process look like? So basically, for each of the character, if the character is a dash and then we still have space into our process result, then we remove the last character. I mean, like, we still have element in our process result, we remove the last character. Otherwise, if the character is actually a dash, then we push that character to the backspace. So you need this else if you just put the else, that means when you are going to have a dash and maybe this condition will not respect it, you are going to have your process character having dash. So that is something you may fall into it if you don't put the extra if here. Nice. Okay, now that you are 100% sure that your process string function is working, you just need to call the function against the first string and call again the second string and compare if they are equal. If they are equal, then everything is okay. So let us submit and see what it gives. So you can see that everything is working perfectly. We have a solution actually performing well. So this is my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy. Feel free to leave me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video. Ciao.